Hello everyone! Let's start with the presence. A Bugatti doesn't roll into a space, it arrives. The proportions are dramatic yet balanced, with a wide stance, long sweeping curves, and a low roofline that makes the car look like it's slicing through the air even when standing still. The iconic horseshoe grille dominates the front end, instantly recognizable from across the street and deeply connected to Bugatti's racing heritage from the early 20th century. Every surface flows into the next like liquid metal, with no harsh lines, no awkward edges, just continuous motion sculpted into carbon fiber. Walk closer and you notice the craftsmanship. The body panels are not stamped steel or mass-produced aluminum. They're hand-laid carbon fiber, cured in autoclaves and shaped with aerospace-level precision. The paintwork isn't just sprayed, it's layered, polished, and finished by hand to a mirror-like depth that looks almost wet under sunlight. Even small details like the screws, badging, and trim pieces are machined from solid metal rather than molded plastic, giving the entire car a jewel-like quality. Then there are the lights, ultra-slim LED headlights with intricate internal signatures that resemble fine jewelry rather than automotive components. The taillights stretch across the rear in elegant strips, glowing like molten metal at night. The exhaust outlets, often finished in polished titanium or dark ceramic coatings, look more like high-end watch components than car parts. Even the wheels are custom-forged alloys, designed not only for strength and weight savings, but also to complement the flowing body lines of the car. Open the door, and the experience changes instantly. You're no longer stepping into a cockpit, you're entering a luxury suite built around speed. The doors close with a solid vault-like sound that feels more like a private jet than a car. Inside, nearly every surface you see and touch is wrapped in the finest leather, alcantara, or exposed carbon fiber, all stitched by hand. The leather isn't just premium, it's sourced from specially selected hides, free from imperfections, and dyed in custom colors exclusive to each owner. The seats are sculpted like racing buckets, but padded like luxury lounge chairs, offering incredible lateral support while remaining soft enough for long-distance comfort. They adjust electronically in countless ways, memorizing your preferences so the car feels instantly tailored to you every time you climb inside. Heating, cooling, massage functions, and advanced lumbar support systems are often integrated seamlessly without cluttering the interior with buttons or distractions. The dashboard design strikes a perfect balance between modern technology and timeless elegance. Unlike many high-tech cars that flood the cabin with screens, Bugatti keeps things refined and minimal. The center console often features beautifully machined aluminum switches that click with satisfying precision when you touch them, similar to the controls on high-end mechanical watches. The gauges, whether analog or digital, are designed to look elegant today and still beautiful decades from now. The steering wheel feels thick, solid, and luxurious in your hands, trimmed in leather or alcantara with precisely stitched seams. Paddle shifters made from solid metal sit behind it, cool to the touch and perfectly shaped for fingertip control. The driving position feels natural and commanding, giving you excellent visibility while still keeping you low and connected to the road.